Battery cannot be charged or dead, belongs to the protection state, need to do reset processing. When the machine is not used for a certain period of time, it will enter a power-saving protection mode. To reset it, locate the reset hole, a small hole on the back of the machine, and gently poke it with a needle or toothpick. This will restart the machine, allowing it to be used again. Reset hole. Gently poke with a needle or toothpick to reset it, allowing the machine to restart and be used again. If resetting does not solve your problem, you can try formatting the device. If it shuts down or the screen turns off quickly, please check the settings for display settings, sleep timer, and power off timer and adjust them as needed. The corresponding function operation, please watch the previous operation video with the following title. Set information. Go to Set. Information, player information, disk space. Player information, display software version and date. Disk space. When a TF card is available, it will be divided into internal memory SD card. Display free space, total space. Display free space, total space. Return. Set format device. Go to Set. Format device. When a TF card is available, it will be divided into format internal memory, format SD card. Tip: all data will be deleted. Continue. Select Yes and press Confirm to have the device formatted. Tip: format device. Proceed with caution. Once formatting is confirmed, all files will be deleted and unrecoverable. Before formatting, it is better to make a backup on your computer as needed. Set factory settings. Go to Set. Factory settings. Restore all settings: backlight luminance, screen protection mode, backlight time, shutdown time and volume, and so on to their initial values without causing a pause of current playing at the background. The initial value of time won't be restored if time is preset. Select Yes to complete restoring factory settings. Set power off timer. Go to Set. Power off timer. The machine will power off automatically in case of no operation. It can be set between1min到99min, default 3分钟. If it is set to 0分钟, it means not set power saving shutdown. Long press left or right key to quick adjustment. Worm tips. If you find that the machine did not move, suddenly power off, please check. Power off timer factory default settings 3分钟 use 2. Sleep timer factory default settings 1分钟 use 2. The machine soon screensaver, please check. Display settings factory default settings 30 seconds. Confirm. Set sleep timer. Go to Set. Sleep timer, off, set sleep timer. Sleep timer, can set between 1min负99分钟, factory default settings 1分钟 ute. Long press left or right key to quick adjustment. Worm tips. If you find that the machine did not move, suddenly power off, please check. Power off timer factory default settings 3分钟 use 2. Sleep timer factory default settings 1分钟 ute. 2. The machine soon screensaver, please check. Display settings factory default settings 30 seconds. Confirm. No need, please remember to turn it off. Set language. Go to Set. Under the Setting mode, Language, Display Settings, Sleep Timer, Power Off Timer, Date and Time, Information, Format Device, Factory Settings. Language. Favored languages include Simplified Chinese, Traditional Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, French, German, Italian, Dutch, Portuguese, Spanish, Swedish, Czech, Danish, Polish, Russian, Turkish, Hungarian, Romanian, Arabic, Hebrew, Thai, Indonesian, Greek. Set display settings. Go to Set. Display settings. Brightness, backlight timer and screensaver. Brightness level 0到11 default is 5. Backlight timer. The backlight will be turned off in case of no button operation within the time limit 10s, 20s, 30 秒, always on. For example, select 10 seconds. Screensaver, none, digital clock. For example, select digital clock. According to the previous settings, backlight timer 10 seconds and screensaver digital clock. So wait for 10 seconds and then enter into the digital clock screensaver state. Tip: if no key is pressed during this time, the backlight will be turned off. If not, select always on or select a longer period of time.